Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your trusted channel for deep, authentic, and no-hype reviews about the latest in tech and camera gear. Today, we're diving into something that has the entire photography world on edge, the upcoming Sony A7V. Sony's Alpha lineup has always set the bar for hybrid cameras, and this next generation could completely redefine what creators expect from a full-frame mirrorless camera. So, if you're someone who lives for image quality, cinematic video, and cutting-edge autofocus, stay tuned, because the A7V might just be the camera you've been waiting for. While Sony hasn't officially announced a release date yet, strong industry chatter points to a launch window around late 2025, possibly in October or November. This timeline fits perfectly with Sony's usual product cycle. The A7 IV arrived back in late 2021, so the timing feels right for its successor to appear about 4 years later. But what makes the A7V so special isn't just timing, it's the rumored upgrades that could push it close to flagship territory without the flagship price. Starting with the sensor, Sony is reportedly stepping things up with a new 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, compared to the 33MP sensor in the A7 IV. This isn't just about more pixels, it's about better performance. A partially stacked or faster readout design should reduce rolling shutter, improve dynamic range, and enhance low-light shots. In simpler terms, this sensor could make everything from fast-moving subjects to night scenes look cleaner and sharper. The processing power is another highlight. The A7V is expected to include an updated Bion's XR processor paired with a dedicated AI chip. This chip could drastically improve subject recognition and real-time tracking, not just eyes or faces, but full body, animal, and object detection. Imagine filming an athlete or a bird in flight, and your focus stays locked without hesitation. Performance-wise, the A7 IV could shoot up to 10 frames per second, but the A7V might double that to 20 frames per second. That's a major step up for sports and wildlife photographers who need speed and precision. Combined with the new sensor and AI autofocus, it could deliver near-flagship shooting performance at a mid-tier price. On the video side, expect 4K at up to 120 frames per second, likely without a major crop. There's also talk of oversampled 6K footage for sharper detail. Sony is reportedly improving thermal management to reduce overheating in extended video shoots. Image stabilization could jump from 5.5 stops to around 8 stops, making handheld shooting smoother and more stable, especially in low light. Combine that with Sony's lens lineup, and you've got a seriously capable hybrid tool. Design tweaks are also expected: a slightly deeper grip, refined button layout, better weather sealing, and possibly a flip-and-tilt hybrid display. The electronic viewfinder might see a boost in resolution and refresh rate for smoother, more lifelike viewing. Connectivity should include dual slots, one CF Express Type-A and one UHS-2 SD, plus Wi-Fi 6E and a high-speed USB-C port for faster transfers. The same reliable NP-FZ100 battery is expected, but efficiency improvements could extend runtime slightly. Price-wise, expect around $2,800 to $3,000 for the body. That's higher than the A7IV's launch price, but still a strong value given the rumored upgrades. Sony's strategy seems clear: deliver professional performance without a professional price tag. Of course, these are still early leaks, and Sony could adjust specs before launch. Some features might be scaled back to avoid overlapping with the A1 or A9. But given Sony's track record, the A7V will likely bring real, meaningful improvements. The A7 IV already set the standard for hybrid cameras, but the A7V could take it to the next level: faster autofocus, stronger stabilization, richer image quality, and smarter usability. If you've been waiting for the perfect balance between power, portability, and price, this might be it. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on authentic reviews and upcoming gear, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Vibe. Let me know in the comments what feature excites you most: the 4K 120 frames per second video, AI autofocus, or boosted stabilization. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and stay inspired. This is Tech Vibe, signing off.